We got another package. Let's see what we got. Made in China. IJDMtoy.com LED series. Did we buy some LED lights? Something like that. Something like that. See what we got. They said that's the way to do it. And that's not the way to do it, huh? Yeah. The wrong way, the right way. You may say, what is this? Guess we ain't got to do both of them. These are some smoked LED side markers. And they should be a pretty easy fit. Let's see. That snaps into there. This plugs into the socket for coming from the car, as you see right there, and then you're good to go. We'll keep this one out, and then we're gonna head out to the vehicle, take out the old ones and put these new ones in. I'll give you footage of it in the daytime to see what it looks like, and then we'll also get some nighttime footage to see if it makes a difference. If you want to know where to purchase them from, eBay has them, but you can also get them from Amazon. I want to say I got these off of Amazon for like 40 bucks. Hopefully it's worth the 40 bucks. Let's see. We got this side in. It's pretty straightforward. You do have to take out these two clips. Sun is in the way. So a clip right here and a clip right there. I did have to take them out. That's what they look like, typical plastic clips, plastic pins. I don't know if you hear my daughter in the background whining. And you just take that out, and then you're able to get access to back here. And then you can pop it out, hook it all up, and then pop it back in. So let's get this popped in, then we'll see how it looks. Oh yeah. You know, taking something apart is always the easiest thing. Putting it back together is normally the hard part. But we got it clipped in there real good. It's not going anywhere. This is a daytime shot. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll get a nighttime shot. Let's also get a comparison of the new one to the factory one. I like the factory one better. Or the smoke LED. I think I like that one better. And then we got our nighttime shot. Check it out from a distance. I don't know if the camera can pick up how bright they are, but they are bright. We definitely gotta change those out to the LED. Make them a little bit brighter. Coming down the road, brighter, cleaner. It's a side profile right there. I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, I can't tell if the camera is picking it up real good, but in person it definitely looks good. Maybe I'll ride around the street and then have my wife record, but maybe not, because it's kind of cold and she's ready to eat.